Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel. This is Learn Smart. Today we are going to start with Microsoft Excel, which is very simple. If you have never used Excel before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have the basics of Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Microsoft Excel is a program used to organize, analyze, and calculate data. Think of it like a superpowered digital notebook, perfect for exam, school projects, personal budgets, and work tasks. Excel uses cells, rows, and columns to store information, and we can use formulas to calculate numbers automatically. We can start with home, and there are so many options in insert that are draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. We are going to learn all about these things day by day. We can add more sheets here. We can find rows, columns, and cells in every sheet. Here we can see the row numbers, and these are column numbers A, B, C, D, and so on. We can insert some data in every cell. Now I'm going to create a table. This is like a mark sheet for some students. Name, we can give the name of subjects, numbers. You can add some more data. You can enter date, exam date. Let's say A for Mr. Alex. And then you can give some more names like Shiv, Morgan, Dorothy. Enter some subject names like science, like physics, chemistry, English. Let's say Alex got 85 in science. Shiv got 91 in physics. Morgan got 82 in chemistry, and Dorothy got 87 in English. You can add some dates. Okay, this table is complete now. If anyone want to bold these words, he or she can simply use this option. We can add these numbers too. We have to use a formula, and this is like this, the sum formula. Just like this. The sum of these four numbers is 345. We can use borders here. If anyone want to color these cells, he or she can use colors from here. You can use colors as much as you can, as much as you want. There are so many options, right? If you want to bold this number, just do it. I think there are so many colors. This table is perfect. This is it for today. We will come back with some new information in my next video.